My favorite thing about Jamaica? Well, only the crime I don't like, but everything else is alright.
They love everything else. Oh, cool.
Well, I like the country. It's very cool, you know.
In the meantime, the Director of Public Prosecutions has ruled that charges be brought against Senior Superintendent of Police Asan Thompson. SSP Thompson is to be charged under Section 15, subsection 2C of the Corruption Prevention Act. He's accused of failing to provide information in relation to his statutory declaration. According to our sources, SSP Thompson failed to forward copies of the title and or other documents to the Commission. Last February, SSP Thompson was among several senior policemen who earned a promotion. SSP Thompson has served as Divisional Commander for the St. Catherine North Division as well as the St. Andrew North Division. He's currently assigned to the Forces Operations Branch.
Well, I like the country. It's very cool, you know.